Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password on Instagram. Changing your Instagram password is crucial for keeping your account safe and secure, so let's start the video. To change password in Instagram, open Instagram app. Now tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. And from the menu, tap on Account Center. Under Account Settings, tap on Password and Security and then tap Change Password. If you have multiple Instagram accounts, then choose your account by tapping on it. Now enter your current Instagram password and then enter your new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Retype your new password and then tap on Change Password button. As you can see the message, you change your Instagram password. So that's how to change your Instagram password. Thanks for watching.